Don't be a chicken. All right, so this is what I refer to as Sunday night chicken dinner right here. It's very easy to do. A good sized chicken will feed about 4 people. Just cut the thing in half. Any kind of pan at home will work. You know, I have some mushrooms here. We'll put a little wine in the bottom of the pan here. I also like carrots in mine, and that's something everybody has. I took some potatoes and cooked them for about 10 minutes. Garlic cloves here too. Onions. These are pieces that you get over individually on your plate and eat it like a vegetable. Same thing with the tomatoes. And it doesn't matter if the tomatoes are a little old, it's perfect for this dish. Some people like to eat cooked lemons like that here, so we're gonna put a couple of these in here too. All right, and here's the trick, Italian dressings, and you just basically put that right over here. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on there too. You can buy chicken stock, or you can make your own, whatever you have. We'll put a little bit of this in here, and then we'll put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Whatever fresh greens, herbs you have, a little bit to put on top of that chicken when it comes out of the oven. And it sounds like it's ready. This only took 30 minutes to make. Obviously, you can improvise depending on what you have in your refrigerator. Food is love. You want to share this love with somebody.